my channel, The Ether Wellness. Today's video is about how can we treat our headache by ourselves or for our family with the help of acupressure points. Now let's understand why these headaches occur. Headaches generally occur because of some digestive issues, sinusitis, migraine problems, stress. It could be related to insomnia. It could be related to, these days most of the headaches are related to a lot of screen time which we are having. So we are on laptops or on our iPads or on our phone all the time, and our eyes feel strained, and because of that our head becomes heavy by end of the day. So today's video is where if you follow these points and press those points every day, whenever you feel discomfort in your head, it will be really helpful for you to cure it. So let's get going. We experience this headache in different parts of our head. Sometimes we experience it in the frontal area, sometimes we have it in the middle of our head, sometimes behind in the occipital area we experience headache. Sometimes single part of your face or head will feel heavy and painful. So these are the different kinds of headaches which we can have because of different reasons. So today I am covering all those points possible for you to cure all of these kinds of headaches. So let's start. So first point we will start. Take your thumb pads. Put it in the beginning of your eyebrows like this. Press gently. Rotate. Press again. Release. Press, rotate, press, release, press, rotate, press, release. Do this for at least 10 times. If you have more intensity of your headache, you can continue doing it for 20 or 30 times as well. Next point is right in middle of our eyebrows. Again we will do press gently, rotate, press and release, press, rotate, press, release, press, rotate, press. Like you can see me how I keep my eyes closed every time I do that, because you have to let yourself relax. You have to close your eyes so light does not go directly into your eyes and you feel more relaxed. The third point is at the end of your eyebrows. Again we are taking our thumb pads, putting it there. Now this time we are taking our fingers up in the middle of our head where our hairline starts. Gently press with our thumb as well as our fingers. Rotate the thumb, press, release. Press, rotate, press, release. Press, rotate, press. So the next point is above the tip of your ear. Here, take your fingers, keep in the middle of your head. Press, rotate, press and release. Do this for 10 times or 20 times, as much as you need. The next is behind on our neck. Right here, under this bone we have depression on both the sides. So we take our finger, put it there and rotate like this. Press, rotate, press, rotate. Continue doing till 10 times or 20 times. And then push it down to your neck. Those who are also facing problem of sinusitis should press these points. Take your finger pads, put it here where there are bones in your nose, near your nose rather. Press it and release. Press it and release. Press, release. Keep doing it for 10 to 20 times. The next point is just in middle of your ear here, on both the sides. So again, put your fingers, press, release, press, release, press, release. Now the next point is behind your ear. So if you just try and keep your fingers behind your ear, there is a depression over here, under the bone, just here. So what we will do is, we will press, rotate, press and pull it down. Press, rotate, press, pull it down. Keep doing it for 10 to 20 times. Now there is one more analgesic point which you can use for pain relief, which is in your hand. So you have to do like this. Here you can see there is a kind of a mountain of your muscle. So just put your thumb there and start pressing and rotating. Do the same thing here. Press, rotate. You can press and release or rotate, whatever you find comfortable. So this way, by pressing all these points, you will actually feel a lot of relief in your headache and you will feel fresh and better. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.